Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by checking built-in controls. Open the app and look for an export or watermark toggle. Many apps include a paid remove option. Once done, verify you own the media and are signed into the correct account because purchases tie to your ID. If a one-time fee or subscription is offered, decide before proceeding. Paying supports the developer and avoids legal issues. Make sure to note plan costs and confirm export settings so you keep original resolution and metadata. You next follow authorized editing paths. If the app lets you export with options, choose the highest quality export and then re-export through the app's official workflow. Once done, use licensed editors to add your own watermark or branding, which preserves ownership and avoids tampering. If you manage many files, contact developer support for bulk licensing or enterprise options. This often saves time and stays within terms. Make sure to keep receipts and order numbers in case you need parity across devices. You finish by verifying each final export. Inspect resolution, timestamps, and any branding to confirm the watermark is gone or replaced. If the watermark persists, check your account's purchase status and subscriptions, log out and reinstall the app to refresh entitlements. Once done, retain receipts and capture screenshots demonstrating the issue, then contact support with those details for escalation. If support can't resolve it, consider using a licensed desktop editor to recreate your content from the highest quality source.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.